Hello guys, this is actually my first ever YouTube video in YouTube. And now this is the start of my YouTube journey. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sian Uno and I am turning 12 this year. I'm graduating high school now because I'm currently practicing my graduation graduation ceremony. Now, why did I chose this name? I didn't know what my YouTube name was until this sparked out of my mind. I remember when my teacher said, Super Saiyan to me. I don't know why. We just started laughing, and so that's why I got that idea. Super Saiyan. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, and you can call me brother or bro or Super Saiyan. Now, um, what am I gonna post in my YouTube video? I'm gonna post some probably comedy, story time. I like story time, and probably stuff that happened this that happened in my life, probably some vlog or something, and educational videos so that um you know so that I can share you my knowledge. It is science, or it's probably science, and science is anatomy and physics, and probably religion. Yeah, religion. And that. And I have two in sports or this. Random Banana Player. I'm his first subscriber. He's my best friend. He's my classmate. He said to me that if me and him get 1 mil, we will have a collab. He said that if in a game, and he said that if he get 1 mil, he can do a voice reveal, and if you get 5 mil, he can get a face reveal. Or is this freedom if it's 5 mil more? Because he's saying he probably get 5 mil or 7 mil, so probably it's 5 mil. I hope so. This is the start of my YouTube journey. Am I famous in, like, probably when I'm graduating college? Am I famous? I don't know. Let's see if I'm famous soon. So, peace out. This is actually my first YouTube video.